So regarding the surface of the stove top, meaning the one that is around the burners, that surface is constantly splattered by all the food. I mean, especially if the person only has one, it's constantly splattered by hot meat and hot milk at the same time. Is that surface considered treif?
It's not a, but it's definitely a problem. So what is proper to do is put like aluminum foil around, and when it splatters, that change aluminum foil, because it is a problem. So on one hand, there is such a the temperature is so hot, right? And this if it's not fresh, we're talking about like if it was standing for a day or so, right? Even though there's a residue, right? You see it, but the hot the heat from the burner is so big, so it's going to burn everything. So it's going to spoil the taste. So it's not exactly milk. So even you see the residue, but if you do it one after another, that's what will be the problem. So I would say that just change these aluminum foils often, or use one burner only for milk and another burner only for meat, and then it would be safer.
So let's say the person was not careful and didn't put tin foil ahead of time, and some piece of food kind of falls on top of it. Is that piece of food still usable, edible, or does it have to be thrown away? With the piece of food,
I mean, it's if it's from let's say there's a burner that is used only for meat or parve, and then during the cooking piece of meat fell there. There is no problem. There is no problem whatsoever. It's not been dirty because through this hot temperature, everything is killed there. You understand? So that's not a problem. The problem only when it mixes with what is it with the opposite taste, with the milk. Meat mixes with milk. That's the only problem. But dirt, it's like we have these clowns on our YouTube channel. So somebody said no there is what is it, cheese with a mold is not kosher. I said, what is it like? What does it has to do like kosher, not kosher? You understand? So people do not know. So if something is dirty, does not make it not kosher. So maybe it's if something fell on the floor and it's all in the dust. Okay, is it? Are you allowed to eat? So if you rinse it, I mean, if you want to eat the dust, you can eat the dust. Does this piece of meat become not kosher? No, it did not become not kosher. It became dirty. That dirt has nothing to do with kosher or not kosher. You understand? So you can eat this piece of food. There is no problem, unless it was milk before and now it fell and now it may be mixed. That would be the only issue. Right.
Thank you.
Yes, go ahead.